wherever the country you are living. This is Mama Africa Food Channel. Are you with your family doing fine? Me with my family, we are fine. We bless God for today. Today, I want to show you how to prepare delicious aragu grounded meat. As you can see, the ingredient I have here, I have my, as you can see, this grounded meat, grounded cow meat, grounded one. As you can see there, as you can see my oil, vegetable oil there. As you can see my ginger, aroma, nutmeg, 3 type of Maggi cube. As you can see my garlic. As you can see my salt. As you can see my wine, the vegetable. And go to you. We call it zucchini, carrots. As you can see this bottle, we call it red wine, vino. This is red wine. You need to add it inside the grounded meat. As you can see my tomatoes. As you can see the pot I'm going to use. See the ingredient I'm going to use today for this delicious aragu grounded meat. Yes, you can see the ingredient I'm going to use. As you can see there, my vegetable is there. This one we call it zucchini. This one we call it zucchini with onion. I have my onion here too. Inside this vegetable onion. I can see my carrots. So you can see this Maggi cube with 3 type: chicken, cow, vegetable, garlic, ginger, aroma, nutmeg, salt. As you can see there now, see the tomatoes I'm going to use. As you can see the tomatoes, five tomatoes there, 500, because the grounded meat is 1 kilo. As you can see the pot I'm going to use, this ingredient I'm going to use. As you can see my red wine, still I'm going to use today for this ingredient. Like and share Mama Africa Food Channel. What are you waiting for? Thumbs up, like and share, write comment, press that button. Anytime I upload my video, you best person to know Mama Africa Food International, the wide world or the board. See the ingredient I go to use today. See the ingredient. Iboke san oye wa DJ wa good morning o. Me shek be dan ba me no mo so no ro bon egbe ye wo dan me. Even me da e ba me da nyele no me da me gbore ma ba. Me wo re ma ba nya. Awu da go no na nyela me na ndo. Ela me na ndo e kon na. Ela me na ndo ada ndo na na ma da ndo. Ona vegetable oye abi kon ni. Osi fo. Awu wo da go ni no kan na nya. Me da me garlic veni. Madame, aroma, nutmeg, ginger, salt, 3 type of Maggi cube, 1 vegetable, 1 is carrot, 1 is cow Maggi cube, 3 type of Maggi cube. On vegetable, no vegetable. Me da relwa. Be and basa. On nya carrot ihona. Na carrot. On nya poti me da use ihona. On nya red wine made a sabai red one on the tomatoes made a use. If I will like on the cannon, I will like on the channel. I will bob press on the button. I can press on the button. Video make it down. Back it a car. I will get the video now. We will get oh yeah. Buonasera, buongiorno, sorella fratello, buongiorno. Io sono vostra figlia, Mama Africa Food Channel, sono vostra figlia. Oggi ti faccio vedere cosa devo preparare oggi con mia famiglia aragu bolognese. Guarda, io ce l'ho il mio carne macinata qui, carne macinata di mucca, olio, ginger, aroma, nostra mascara, aglio, ce l'ho aglio lì, ce l'ho che garlic lì. C'è la che ginger lì, c'è la che dado, c'è che sale, c'è zucchini qua, zucchini con cipolla, carota, vino rosso, pomodoro passata. E questa è la pentola che devo usare adesso per fare questo aragu. Cosa ragu ci vuole un po' di tere ora. Con fiamma basso. Non fuoco ata. Pochettino fuoco basso. Con fuoco basso. Devi stare tere ora. Questo che cosa che faccio con mia famiglia oggi. Volevo far vedere. Ci vediamo quando io ho finito di preparare questo ragù di bolognese che mangiamo con tortellina. Questo ragù di bolognese. 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 Guarda, ragù di bolognese vuole preparare oggi. Ci vediamo quando io ho finito di preparare questo delizioso ragù. Adesso andiamo in cucina a preparare. Guys, I'm going to kitchen to prepare the delicious grounded ragu. I'm going to kitchen now. After finish the cooking, the end of the video, I will let you know the result of the food. The result of the grounded meat ragu. Okay, so me akinyon for the end of the me akinyon for make it gboye dore mava e bokire end je. I will like on the video now. Like and share. What are you waiting for? The video questo canale. Ti vediamo dopo quando io ho finito di preparare. After I finish the cooking. Ti vediamo dopo ancora un po'. Ciao ciao, ti vediamo presto. Ciao ciao. Guys, the first ingredient I'm going in this pot with this as you can see, the verdura with onion. The first one going inside the pot. The first one. You can see the first one ingredient. The second ingredient, as you can see carrots. I added my carrots. I added my carrots. You can see. I added my carrot. After I added my carrots, I'm going to add the, as you can see, after I added my carrot with vegetable, as you can see here, you can see maggi and salt and ginger. Go to add it inside now. I add it now. You can see the inside. You have to turn it very well. Turn it very well. Continue turn it. After that one, you put as you can see nutmeg. You add a little bit of nutmeg. As you can see, you need to load the gas more. Load the gas. You see, I just load the gas more. It was too high. As you can see. Now I have to add my little bit aroma. Since you are added salt, don't add too much aroma. Just a little bit aroma. You can see. Later too, I'm going to add small ginger. I'll add a little bit ginger. Mix it together. Now I'm going to put a little bit nutmeg so that it will bring the scent to come out. Okay, it's okay. Turn it, continue turn it. After that one, you see the grounded meat. See the grounded meat. I have to add the grounded meat on the pot. The grounded meat, you continue to it. Continue to it. You have to press it too. If not so, they will come like a rope. Do not press them. If they come with like rope, my children don't like it. I have to press it so that they will be pressed. See guys, I'm done. I just added the remaining carrots, the remaining one of the plate, just a little bit. Mix it. Continue mixing. Mama Africa Food Channel, what are you waiting for? So you can see the delicious. See now you are going to add a little bit red wine. So you can see the red one. So you can see you have to add a little bit, just a little bit wine, not too much, a little bit. Very nice for the ragu. Very nice. This is called Italian ragu. Italian. I learned this one when I was in Italy before to do this thing. As you can see. Leave it to cook for some minutes. As you can see it. Are you waiting for ragu bolognese? We're ready. You see the ragu, you see the meat. What I call it chicha. I'm so pentola. I'm so ginger, garlic, dado, sale, noce moscata, olio. Devo lasciare cuocere. Ho messo un po' di vino anche. Guys, as you can see, I show you the ingredients. I used to do everything. Wayo, no wayo. I show all the ingredients. Very nice. See it. As you can see, zooming. You see the pot is zooming. See, very nice. As you can see. I would like it to dose more so that it will change the color. After I change the color, I will add my tomatoes. I want to just leave it to cook for some minutes. You see, very nice. Even when you don't add the tomatoes, you can use it to eat rice like this, or you can use it to eat bread like this. Whatever you wanted to use it for, you can use it. Like my children, they will use it for macaroni. Italian call them pasta. My children, they will use them pasta because my children like pasta aragu bolognese. Guys, anytime I go to supermarket, the country I live in, I normally go to supermarket. I look, I even my children, If you want to buy something, if you don't be Italian marker, we'll start for Italian marker. If you don't see Italian marker, if you go to supermarket, my children they don't see Italian marker. We don't see Italian marker to buy before we start to buy the product, the marker of the country we are living. But first of all, if I go to supermarket, I find Italian things. Also with my children. So, what are you waiting for? Come and see. Delicious ragu. Delicious grounded meat. As you can see it. Oh! As you can see, okay, on a many men know it. You green mere mara mere pepperoni. Either mama Johnny video not but me I can see tomatoes. So if I don't put my tomatoes now, I will load the gas. 3 hours. I cannot keep this video for 3 hours. After the end of the video, I will show you guys. So you can see now. See now guys, I started adding my tomato. Started adding my tomatoes. As you can see, tomatoes now. I'm adding my tomatoes inside now. Tomatoes. Remember, I told you guys this grounded meat is 1 kilo. I'm adding my tomatoes. The tomatoes, the two I add now is 500. Make that 5 into 2 make 1 kilo. 1 kilo of tomatoes. 1 kilo of tomatoes. I already put 3 now, 1.5. 1.5. I already put another 1.4. 1 kilo. 2 kilo. 2 kilo of tomatoes. I had another one, huh? Tomatoes. I had another one now, guys. 2.5. 2.5. 2 kilo. 2.5 kilo of tomatoes. Two and a half. So you can see, I'm going to leave this one for 3 hours. I will load the gas, guys, because the tea you need to done very well. If you want to do a ragu, don't use hurry. 3 hours, leave it there. Okay? Don't use hurry to do a ragu bolognese. No. To leave it there. To do your own work. So you can see. You can see, guys. See. So now I'm going to leave it for 3 hours. No hurry. 3 hours. I will load the gas. So told you before, guys. I will load the gas and continue doing small. Okay, Sunday on a bad menu na. Ari hurry nyo. Ari hurry nyo. 3 hours all agbe. Make sure the gas is cut. Make sure cut. Talk about abie. Kere. Ari hurry nyo now. 3 hours all agbe ukeranya. Make it a mabanya okay, son. Guys, I don't show you the preparation. I will see you the end of the video after finish the araku bolognese. You can see them now. I have to load the gas. Now see you soon after the end of the video. One lucky post together. Okay, Sam, I can for make it a maba. Okay, see you guys later. Okay, Sam, I'm here. One love later. Hi everyone. Mama Africa food is back again. Mama Africa food is back again. As you can see, the ingredient I showed you before. That ingredient I showed the first time. See the result of the food. See what you want use to eat now, macaroni. So you can see, and so see the result of the arago. So you can see. This is the result. See the arago. See the thing when I show you before the ingredients. See the result. See the thing we are going to use it to eat now. I'm going to eat this one with macaroni. Ragu con la pasta, Italian chiama ragu con la pasta. Questo è il risultato, quello che ho fatto vedere voi prima. Ragu bolognese, buonissimo. Questo si mettete ora il fuoco con fuoco basso. Voi deve piacere questo canale, dividere, state con i bottoni. Quando io ho fatto il video, tu prima persona che sapevo, Mamma Africa Food ha fatto video nuovo. Guarda, see il risultato di questo ragù. See the ragù. See the thing we are going to use it to eat now. Grazie, grazie a tutti, fratello, sorella. Per far vedere il risultato di quello ingrediente che ho fatto vedere voi prima. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mama Africa Food International. This is Mama Africa Food channel. The ingredient I showed you before, guys, to prepare this delicious grounded meat ragu. We call it ragu. See the result. As you can see, we are going to eat this now with macaroni. As you can see the stew there. You see, this is stew we are going to eat today, me with my family. So you can see the like and share. Don't forget to write comment. Don't forget to thumbs up. Oh. Anytime I upload my video, you purposely to know Mama Africa International, the wide world, or the board. As you can see the decoration. See the decorations, you can see. See everything decoration there, you see. The end of the food, as you can see, is see the food, see the want to you see. We're going to eat today. This is the end of the food. This day. Like and share. Don't forget to write comment. Don't forget to thumbs up. Anytime I upload my video, you purposely to know Mama Africa, the wide world or the board. Mama Africa Food or the board. Like and share. Write comment. Thumbs up. Print that video. Anytime I upload my video, you purposely to know Mama Africa Food is back again. See the thing. Let me zoom it so that you guys can see it. See. So we're going to eat today with my children. You see them. See you in my next video, guys. Okay, Sunday bike is gonna make your phone. Madame Mara Makishan Lonya. The bike is now. Questo la fine di questo video. This is the end of the video. See you in my next video. One love, keep us together. See you in my next video. One love.